Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip Oreo cookies. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cup each of granulated and brown sugar, and 2 large eggs. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. A half teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and about 10 to 12 crushed Oreo cookies complete our list. Having everything ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get to mixing our delicious cookie dough. In a large bowl, cream together your 1 cup of softened butter with the 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Beat this mixture until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. Next, incorporate the 2 large eggs, adding them one at a time, followed by the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, combine your 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing until just combined. It's time for the star ingredient. Gently fold in your 1 cup of chocolate chips and the 10 to 12 crushed Oreo cookies into the cookie dough. Be careful not to overmix, as we want those distinct cookie and Oreo pieces. Now, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake these delightful treats in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 9 to 11 minutes. Look for golden brown edges and slightly soft centers. Almost there. Once your cookies are out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and prevents them from breaking when you move them. After 5 minutes, carefully transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. Now, the best part. Grab a glass of milk and enjoy your warm, delicious chocolate chip Oreo cookies. If you have any left, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their freshness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.